Welcome children. Today's topic is cubes and cube roots. Cubes. For a given number y, we define cube of y as y into y into y and is denoted by y cube. Suppose if we want to find out the cube of 2, so we will write as 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So cube of 2 is 8. Cube root we can write like this. Here you can see n and we call the index. This sign we call the radical sign. This is radicand. Perfect cube. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is in the cube of some natural number. Here you can see that perfect cubes of 1 to 13 is given. So 1, 8, 27, 64 are all examples of a perfect cube. How we can find that? 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1 is equals to 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So all these are the examples of a perfect cube. Cube of a rational number. If we want to find out the cube of a rational number a by b, so the method is same. We have to multiply that rational number 3 times and then afterwards we can multiply all numerators together and all denominators together. So we can say like that a by b cube is equals to a cube by b cube. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Here we want to find out the cube of 4 by 7. So first expand it 4 by 7 into 4 by 7 into 4 by 7. Then multiply all numerator 4 into 4 into 4 we will get here 64. 7 into 7 into 7 we will get 343. So cube of 4 by 7 is 64 by 343. In the same way 10 by 11 cube we can find in the same by the same method we will get 1000 by 1331. Properties of cubes of numbers. First property is the cube of every even number is even. Here we can see that 4 is an even number. So cube of 4 is 64. 64 is also an even number. Second property is the cube of every odd number is odd. 3 is odd number, so 3 cube is also odd, that is 27. The cube of a negative integer is always negative. If we want to find out the cube of minus 5, so multiply minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. We know that minus into minus plus, then plus into minus, we will get here again minus. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So cube of every negative integer is always negative. Now, shortcut method for finding the cube of a 2-digit number. If we want to find out the cube of 25, so instead of multiplying 25 into 25 into 25, we will apply here shortcut method. So, with the help of this formula, we will find it out. A plus b whole cube is nothing but a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. In this case, a is 2 and b is 5. See here 25 is written, so a is 2, b is 5. Now we will write down this formula in tabular manner. So in the first row we will write a square, b square, b square. Now start from here. Here b cube is given. Already we have written b square. Now what is left in this? Only b. So multiply with b. Here it is written 3ab square. Already b square is written. What is left? 3a. So write down over here into 3a. Then a square. What is left? Into 3b. A cube is written. Already a square we have written here. So what is left? Into a. Now substitute the values. B is 5. Now b square means b into b means that is 5 into 5. 25. And what is b here? 5. So 25 into 5. You multiply and get the answer. In the same way, b square into 3a. A is 2. 3 2s are 6. Like this we have to substitute all the values, and normally how we are multiplying, we will multiply. Now you can see over here we underlined 5, means start from the right hand side and underline the ones place number. Now what is left here? 12. So 12 we will forward over here. Add 12 with this 150. Whatever answer we are getting over here, again underline the unit place number. Then 16, again we will forward over here. Add 60 plus 16, we will get 76. Underline unit place number, 7 we will forward here. Add 8 plus 7, 15. Now from here left hand side, we will write down the answer. So 25 cube is 15625. These three underline numbers we will write, and from this column both the numbers we will write. So cube of 25 is 15625. Hope you understand this method. Next topic is cube roots. Here you can see that this sign we are using for square root, but the difference is that in square root this is not there. So in cube root we are writing over here 3. Now let's understand what is cube roots. The cube root of a number x is that number whose cube gives x. We denote the cube root of x by cube root of x. Means suppose if we want to find out the cube root of 8. So cube root of 8 is nothing but 2. Why? Because we know that cube of 2 is 8. In the same way, cube root of 125 is 5. Why? Because we know that cube of 5 is 125. Both are vice versa. Method of finding the cube root of a given number by factorization. Now by factorization we will find out the cube root. So here we are going to find out the cube root of 1728. First we will find out the prime factors of 1728. Now in cube root we are writing the numbers like this, and then we are finding out the triplets in that. Underline the triplets. Now here we can see that 2 is 3 times, here again 2 is 3 times, and 3 is 3 times. So out of these 3 numbers, one number we will take it out. Out of these 3 2's, 1 we will take it out. From here also we will take 1 we will take out, and 3 cube 1 we will take out. So cube root of 1728 is, multiply all the 3 numbers, 2 into 2 into 3. What we will get? 12. So we can also say like that, 12 cube is 1728, or cube root of 1728 is 12. Next topic is cube root of a negative perfect cube. Now let's see how we can find out the cube root of a negative perfect cube. So the formula is simple. Suppose here inside the radical sign, here negative sign is there. So before solving it, first we will take out this negative sign out. Rest process is same. Now let's understand this with the help of an example. Here we want to find out the cube root of minus 1331. We know that 1331 is the cube of 11. But here minus sign is there. So first we will find out the prime factors of 1331, and while writing the answer we will take out this minus sign out. Rest we will do the same. Here we will make the triplets as one number, and out of these 3 numbers 11 we will take it out. So our answer is minus 11. So cube root of minus 1331 is minus 11. Cube root of product of integers. Suppose if you want to find out the product of cube root of product of 2 integers. Here a and b are 2 different integers. So in this case we can also find out like this. We will separately find out cube root of a into cube root of b. Here we want to find out cube root of 64 into 729. These 2 numbers are integers, different integers. So how we will find out? So we will first separate it. cube root of 64 into cube root of 729. Find out the prime factors of both the numbers. Out of these triplets, one number we will take it out and afterwards we will multiply it. So our answer is 36. Then cube root of a rational number. How to find out cube root of a rational number? Here also the method is same. Instead of finding out the cube root of a by b directly, we will find out the cube root of numerator and cube root of denominator separately. Let's see, here we want to find out the cube root of 125 by 216. So we will separate this one, numerator and denominator, we will find out separately cube root of these two numbers. Find out the prime factors of these two. Then out of these triplet, one number we will take it out and we get the answer. So cube root of 125 by 216 is 5 by 6. So through this video we learn about cubes, perfect cube, cube of a rational number, properties of cube of numbers, shortcut method for finding the cube of a two-digit number, cube roots, method of finding the cube root of a given number by factorization, cube root of a negative perfect cube, cube of product of integers and cube of a rational number. Thank you.